हेलो गाइस। कैसे हैं आप लोग। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल automate our excel sheet for level calculation. That means if you have bs, is and fs values, then how you can calculate your levels automatically in the excel sheet. So let's get started. So we have some backside, intermediate side and foreside values in our excel sheet already filled, and we are going to calculate here the levels automatically. So we will set our sheet something like that if you enter this bs, is and fs values, you get hi in the first table and rl by height of instrument method, and in the second table we will do the same with rise and fall method. So first of all, we will calculate the height of instrument, which is nothing but the sum of RL plus backside value. So we want HI value in this cell only if there exists the backside value. So press equals if the BS value is greater than 0, we will add the RL plus BS, as we will leave the cell as blank. So we got 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. We will extend this formula to the bottom. So as soon as the value of RL will be updated, the HI will be automatically updated here in this column. The next thing we need to do is to calculate the reduced level. The reduced level can be calculated by subtracting the value of IS or FS from the height of instrument. So at this point, at this the chain edge, that means chain is number 2, we need to subtract the value of 1.9 from 102. At the chain is 3, we need to subtract the value of 3 from 102. But when we will reach to the chain edge 4, we will need to subtract the value of 1.7 from the corresponding HI, which will be calculated at the chain edge value of 3, not by 102. So we will need a formula which will take all these things into account. So for that we will use the lookup formula. So press equals lookup 2 comma 1 divided by bracket opens cell E2, in our case to E2. In this we will fix the first E2 value. So when we will extend it, this will be fixed. Press F4, so this will be fixed. Sign of less than, greater than, double inverted commas, close the bracket, comma. Again, we will copy this thing and paste here and close the bracket. So we will extend this to see if formula worked. So here you can see that at this point, this is taking the HI value as 102. Again, at this point, this is taking the HI value of 102, which we needed here. But at this point, it is taking the HI value of this point, which will be updated when we will calculate the RL value. So we will copy this formula here and paste it here. So press enter, copy the formula, come here, press and press equals, paste the formula, and we will subtract the value of is and fs from this hi value. Here the rl is calculated. So we will extend this formula up to the bottom. Now you can see all the cell and hi value has been updated automatically. Now just say you have to add some more points here. So you can add those points and the levels will be calculated automatically. You can see. So let's say you have BS value of 2.6. As you will enter the BS value, HI will be calculated. You can extend the two rows up to bottom. Now you have updated value of HI and RL. The other way of doing this thing is to add the rise or reduce the fall from the relative RL value, and you get the RL value continuously for the next change value. So we are going to calculate the rise or fall value in this cell. For that we have to subtract 1.9 from this two value. So what we are going to do is press equals sum of these two values minus sum of is and fs plus equal. So you get a positive value, that means this is rise. Extend this up to the last cell. So you are getting the rise or fall in this column. Now the next thing is to add the rise or fall value in this RL value. So press equals 100 plus this rise or fall value. Press enter. Extend this row up to bottom. So you can see that you are getting the same RL by HI and rise and fall method. So if we have more values to be added in the bottom, so you can add those value and extend the rise column or RL column as per your need. So we will copy the values here to check if we are getting the same values by HI and rise and fall method. We will extend these two columns. So you can check you are getting the same values by both the method. For that you can do one thing, press equal, this value is equal to this value. So you are getting true. So you can see that all the values are true. That means the values of RL you have calculated by height of instrument method and rise or fall method. Both are matching to each other. The last thing you can do is to apply the checks in both the HI and rise and fall method. So let us check summation of BS minus FS supposed to equal to last RL minus first RL. So BS minus FS supposed to equal to last RL minus first RL, which is 100. So both are matching. Let us come here and check summation of rise and fall here should be equal to the last RL minus first RL. So both the things are matching in HI and RL method. So you can do this by yourself. Thank you guys for your precious time and watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.